Rates hit 8%, mortgage applications are at a 27-year low, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why now is one of the best times ever to be in the real estate industry. Number 1, this country, the United States of America, is built on home ownership. It's not only part of the culture and the philosophy, it adds to the experience and is the true American dream. If you go back on a timeline, no matter how long you look, it's gonna take me to reason number 2, which is prices have only gone in one direction, and that is up. We have to adopt a long enough timeline in our minds and not experience the instant gratification, and know that for reason number 3, the harder it gets right now, the better we become as professionals. And if you're a buyer, you have to understand that financing is temporary, and for the first time, you have true negotiating power. There's not 19 people lined up out the door unless you have 19 family members that are moving into the house with you. So listen, when everyone else is saying no, in your own mind, you need to be able to say yes and focus on what actually matters. Quick recap, this country's built on home ownership. The prices of real estate only go in one direction. And if this is your craft and what you do, the harder it becomes, the better you become. So just show up, stay consistent. Mindset is everything. Have a great day, blessed day, and let's go.